Tour time. I'm gonna give y'all a tour of the office. Like, not just my office, like the entire office. I'm here by myself, so I can move around. So this is my office, right? Check me out. My lunch. Walk out of my office. Yeah, I'm right by the kitchen. The congregation area. Come out, come out. And this is where administrative assistants set up. See the printer, our admins. They set up, take care of us. Admins are the heart of the office, really. They are the heart of the office. Little supply area. Conference room. So right now we're located on the 12th and 13th floor of the Harris County Criminal Courthouse. There's different courthouses. There's a juvenile courthouse, civil courthouse, family courthouse. This is the criminal courthouse. And the public defender's office is located on the 12th and 13th floor. We have a few conference areas. This is the main one that we use. More offices. Take you down. There's construction going on because they're doing renovation. So literally outside of that door, I'll fall 12 flights, hit the ground, come back, show you guys. So up until recently, we were only on one side of the 12th floor. Pretrial services had the other side, but we went through a recent expansion. These smaller cubicles are for some attorneys, and these even smaller cubicles are for like interns. Spaces for our interns. Yes, we take interns. Another supply cabinet. Our recycled paper area. Show y'all the expansion. So, up until like a few months ago, this is where it ended. But now, we're in this area that used to be pretrial. More offices, elevators that take you up to the courts. We call those the side elevators. That's the end. Come out here. They literally recently just put furniture in here. So this is new because they did all this week. This is the other side that we didn't have access to previously. Offices. So a lot of the investigators, this is like our investigator role. Our investigators. Rob, that's my investigator. Yeah, you see? They set up the cubicles. Space. Investigator role. Look at Larry. Offices. Beautiful view of downtown. Well, it's hard to see. I was gonna explain what that was, but it's hard to see. More offices. Everything is coming along. Leslie's office. Leslie is the head of our holistic services at the public defender's office. So if somebody gets a case, there's other issues that come up. Housing, getting records sealed, Our department helps people. We don't just stop by representation. Once your case is over, we assist you after the fact. Another conference room. Nice little TV in there. Big TV, actually. Oh, let me go all the way down this way. Bigger break area. People don't use this as much because, again, all this is new. We didn't have access to this. So people forget it's here. But once people start coming back in the offices more, so like this big break room, they literally just put this table in here with the TV for presentations. All this stuff. And we're back on the other side. Right near my office. Coming back. And we're back. Yes, that's the office. That is the 12th floor of the Harris County Public Defender's Office. At some point, I'll do another one showing you guys the 13th floor. Hope you enjoyed your little tour.